Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking Android version and enabling accessibility so the app can simulate taps. This is necessary for consistent operation. Once done, install the OP Auto Clicker APK from a trusted source and enable Install Unknown Apps. Make sure overlay permission is allowed so controls appear over other apps. Then open OP Auto Clicker and tap the plus icon to create your first task. This immediately begins the practical setup instead of waiting to configure later. You now configure the tap pattern. Choose single, double, or multi-point based on the target app. This controls how each interaction behaves. Next, adjust interval in milliseconds and duration per tap, and pick a repeat count or infinite mode so the routine matches your needs. Then place on-screen markers precisely where you need taps. You can drag them and preview to confirm accuracy. Once positioned, save and name the profile so you can quickly recall it for similar tasks later. You run the saved profile using the floating control, press start and watch the app simulate taps. If taps miss targets, make sure to increase tap duration or slightly reposition markers because timing and alignment are the usual culprits. If the service stops or the app crashes, reopen accessibility settings and re-enable permissions, clear the app cache, or reinstall the APK. Always back up profiles before reinstalling. Finally, use the stop button to halt actions immediately if something behaves unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.